Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting lecture on TK Inter GUI development. So today we are going to learn about slider buttons. So here you can see that I've created two slider bars. One is a horizontal slider bar and one is a vertical slider bar. So today we will learn how to make this. So let's get started in a fresh code. So as the first step, we will first import all the libraries and functions from tkinter using this command from tkinter import all. Next, what I will do is I'll create a parent widget which is called the root. You can use any variable here. Let me call it root as I did it in the previous lectures. And then I need to give a name to my window. So root.title and let it be slider bars. Now let me run this. So I get a blank window as you can see. Okay, so now it's time to make two slider bars. So like previous widgets, for slider bar we need the method called scale. So how do I import a scale? Say I name it a variable w which is equal to this method scale. Now scale is in root and then I need to define my initial and final values of my slider bars. So I have defined here 0 to 100 and then I need to define my orientation. So here I want my slider bar to be horizontal and then I want a variable to be associated with the slider bar so that I can fetch the values. So let me define this variable first. So what kind of variable this should be? This should be an integer variable. So let me define my tk_var1 as an integer variable and which is in root. And then we all know that if we do not place this widget, it will not appear in the UI. So let me place this widget. So I'll place this widget somewhere at 20% horizontal, 10% from the vertical with some relative height like 50% height and say the widget occurs at 50% relative width. So let me run this and show you. So here you can see that my widget has appeared and I can slide this to different values. So now the next thing is I want to get the values. So for that what I need to do is I need to create a button. So let me create a button. In root, let us write the text of the button as get values and I have to define the command get value and place it somewhere in the UI. You can place it anywhere in the free space, whichever looks good. Now I have reserved some place for the vertical slider bar, so I place my button somewhere in the right bottom location in the UI. Now let me define this function get value and what it should do, it should print the value of the horizontal bar. So how do we get the value of the horizontal bar? It's using the get method as I explained in the last lectures. So now let me run this. So initially my value is 0. So if I press get values, you can see that horizontal bar gives 0. Now let's put some another value. So you can see this is working nicely. Now let's create another slider bar, which is a vertical bar. So for that I need to define another variable just like the previous one. So tk_var2, and then I have to define another scale for the slider bar, and I define it as w1. And here the change which I make is the orient is vertical instead of horizontal, and the variable is tk_var2. Also I have placed it somewhere at the bottom. So now I again want to get the values of the second bar, that is the vertical bar. So for that I need to print the values for the vertical bar. So here you can see initially if I press get values, I get 0 0 on both the bars. Now let me assign some arbitrary values for the bars, and if I press on get values I can get it. So thank you, try this at your own systems and let me know. And if you really like the video and get some insight about UI development, please press like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.